Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, family. All right, so let me get this hair out of my face. All right, so either which way, you guys, as you can see, if you're seeing like little wipes in my hand that I'm wiping everything down, that's why I have these in my hand. But I'm gonna start with showing you what I got. These are my Mother's Day gifts from the hubby, from the kids, or whatever like that. He was like, you know what, we've been going through a lot right now, just with the moves, with everything, with temporary space. Get you whatever you want. That's what I did. So either which way, I'm gonna explain what I got to you guys, and I'll do whole nother videos on everything or whatever when that time comes. So a lot more videos to come for you. So either which way, there is the unboxing. I literally just opened it because I had to wipe it down. All right, so I literally just opened it because I had to wipe it down. I'm not gonna like sit here and pretend I'm gonna wipe this down too. So either which way, true unboxing. Everything I've only just seen on line, so I haven't actually seen it in person. This particular bag I know I wanted for a while when I saw it, because it was like a few months ago when we were able to go to the stores. I tried to order it when they had this huge sale, but I said couldn't order it. I don't know why, I don't know what happened, but either which way, I didn't get it. But guess what? Came back in stock. It was available. And a little backstory to this bag right here. This bag right here says $328. So $328 is what this was. However, Kate Spade is having a massive sale. They were having a massive sale. I had already ordered one bag, and my SA probably a day or two later emailed me, just asked how everybody was doing, if we're staying safe, staying healthy. You know, the stores are going to start opening back slowly, but it's really just going to be for like curbside service if you didn't want to go into the store or whatever like that. So she said we have a 30, 40, and 50% off. 30 is for like if you get anything 130 or less. 40% off is like if you got something $230 or less or whatever like that. And then 50% off is like anything like 3 something or above or whatever like that. So either which way, I wind up getting this bag. I got this bag and I got it on my own because I couldn't get a hold of my essays or anything like that. And I don't remember having like any kind of email that I didn't like throw away or whatever. So either which way, when she emailed me, I was like, listen, I already bought this bag. Can I get the discount refunded to me for this bag? She was like, yeah, just go ahead and send me the email of the confirmation of the date you got it, yada, yada, yada. So I did that. She went ahead and gave me the discounted, she gave me the refunded discount. And then with that refund, I actually bought another bag, which that bag is not here. This right here that I'm going to show you after this is something completely different. So that particular bag that I wind up getting a discount for, or discount on, that bag has yet to come. So that's still on its way. So it's pretty much all still kind of like jumbled in with like Mother's Day gift or whatever like that. So I basically got 2 bags for like the price of one, because this bag was half off. The half off that I got, the discounted refund went to the bag that I purchased. That bag was like, I think 3 something. So with the 3 something for that particular bag, that was half off, and the discount that I received back from here, that went to that. So that was like $80 something that I paid for like a $300 something bag. So either which way, enough talking. You will see that bag when it comes, and I am going to show you this one. It's so cute. It's so adorable. You guys, listen, I've really, I'm not even gonna lie, I literally wanted this bag for a while. There. So this, oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, I'm gonna put this down before I like mess it up. All right, so I haven't taken off the straps, of course, as you can see, but the straps are detachable. So this, you guys, is the Kate Spade Romy Croc Embossed mini bag. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. It's so cute. So this is the Berry Blitz color, all right? So basically you have, of course, a new Kate Spade designed symbol. All you do is twist lock to close it, and then it makes like this little upside down heart, spade, or whatever like that. So there you have it right there. And of course, to open it, all you do is turn it again, and then you open it. This bag is so cute. Like I said, when I first saw it, I was so in love with the bag. It's like a small, cute little mini bag. Top handle, shoulder strap. You also have on the back a pocket, but the pocket is really, really stiff. So I don't know what you can really put in there. I mean, you can put your card holder or some cash or whatever like that. But for the most part, I'm gonna put everything in here. But dust bag, nothing back there. Of course, you can see the Kate Spade foil embossed logo right there. But right here, you actually have a small card holder right there. So card holder right there. Where this dust bag is, that space right there. Then you have this compartment right here, and then you have this compartment right here. So that's a zipper compartment. Actually, it's not a zipper. I lied, sorry. It's just a flat open compartment. So either which way, you have 1, 2, 3, and then that card holder is 4. So 4 compartments, and then on the back, 5. So to tell you the truth, this bag is gonna pack a punch when I start filling it, and I will do a whole another video on that. But look how cute. 4 feet at the bottom. This bag is so cute, you guys. This bag is so cute. I'm so glad I got it. All right. Oh! All right, so the next item, I've actually had this for a while. I was waiting to get like a few more things or whatever like that, and then I was just gonna kind of do a whole video, but these right here are the Swing Floral Triple Notebook Set. And you guys know I love notebooks. I love to write things down, be organized, what have you. But there's 3 notebooks in one. I like this one where, if you can see it, has the Kate Spade symbols right there. This little floral design on this one right here. And then this one is just a regular plain blue. So you can kind of see what it looks like right there. So 3 right there. So that's just something I picked up. This is on sale as well, so I'm glad I got this, because again, once we move and I have like this whole little desk set up or whatever, I'm gonna put that on my desk to kind of just like write notes or whatever. All right, you guys, so this is on sale. So you guys already know, because you already saw my Candid Camera Bag, and I liked it so much, I got it in the purple, because that's just what I do. If I like something that much, I just get it in a different color, and I'm happy, and I'm good to go. And that's what it is. I mean, you guys have seen this bag. You see me do an unboxing with this particular bag itself. So you already know what it is, what it holds, and that's it. All right, so this cutie right here, you guys, I was actually gonna wait to open it, but I actually watched Lux Mommy blog, or it was just Lux Mommy. It's Amanda, she's on YouTube. I follow her, I love her channel. She unboxed this, and I was like, okay, you know what? I have to open mine because I have to see just how cute it is. So, as you can see, yes, that's where I got it from. And it's, oh, you guys, I'm so excited. So excited. All right, so here's a receipt right there. Here is the box right here. As you can see and tell, it is a magnetic opening for the box. And this, it's not a bag or anything like that. This is actually, it's all taped and everything. Because like I said, I was just gonna wait to open it, but she literally got me so intrigued, and I loved hers. And I was like, oh my gosh, I just bought that. And she's like, you're gonna love it. So, all right, so this is the candle. I'm not even gonna butcher the name right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually put what it is right up here somewhere. That way you guys can see it. But this right here is Elay Blanche. I believe that's how you pronounce it, either which way. I'm not gonna open it. Oh my gosh, I should. But you know what, I am. Just for you guys. Y'all are my family, and I love y'all. I know some of you are like, no, never know that. That's what's screaming right now in my head. But I have to. Because I'm either which way just going to put it right back in the box anyway. So, all right, so I don't want this to fall. Okay, so the opening right here. And I hope I like the way it burns when I start to burn it. But again, it is a candle. There's a top right there. It's so cute. You can place it like this and put it on there so it looks very decorative, you guys. And there it is. There it is. I know you guys are like, oh my gosh, it's so bougie. Yes, a little candle, has a vaqueta strap on it. It actually smells really, really good. So I was thinking about getting another one so I can have it matching and kind of like put it in the room. But I think she had the one with the red wicker. Mine is the blue. My essay actually picked this out for me because she thought that the scent would probably fit me and I would like it better. And I do, but I will put a description on what the notes are, you guys, so that way you can kind of have an idea. I don't know, it smells good, but then it smells like soap. I don't know, it's weird, but I'll see how it is when I burn it. But either which way, the wax is very soft. You can see my finger actually hit it right there, but it's really nice. I love this vaqueta strap. And honestly, to tell you the truth, I think once everything is finished, I mean, I'm definitely keeping this, and I'll put like a little tiny candle in there, probably do like a DIY myself, put another candle in there and just have it for like decoration. But this is cute. That was my pickup. And that's how it comes, just like that. So that was my little pickup from Louis Vuitton. It was a candle. I thought it was cute, and I got it because I didn't want it to run out, and I didn't want to wait because, you know, once you wait on anything Louis Vuitton, it runs out and it's so hard to come back or whatever. And I know people are like, oh, well, it's just a candle. Yeah, you'll be surprised. So I might get another one and do one in the room, do one in the bathroom, probably do one in like the living room or whatever like that. But yes, I know it's a little bit bougie, but it's cute and I like it. And I think I like the holder itself of the candle, so that's why. But I like it. You guys tell me what you think. Do you think it's too much for a candle? Do you think it's like, just go ahead and go to like Walmart and get some candles, which I do have. And, you know, Yankee Candle, don't get it twisted. At the end of the day, they have like, you know, really large candles. Joe Malone, they have large candles, and you spend a pretty penny on them because you want them to last as far as like when it burns or whatever. So I'm glad I got it. I'm trying to be a little bougie when it comes to the house or whatever. So it's really just small little decorative pieces that I'm trying to mix and match. So this is one of the pieces that I got for the new home. All right, well, that is it, you guys, for my mini shopping haul. I hope you guys liked everything that you saw. I'm gonna rock that Romy Croc embossed bag like real soon. But either which way, I do have another Kate Spade bag coming. It was part of my Mother's Day's gift, and I'm excited. So that's it. All right, so like, comment, share, let me know what you thought. We are here, we are family. Let me know what you thought about 2 Kate Spade bags, some notebooks, and a Louis Vuitton candle. And that is it, and I will talk to you guys later. All right, bye bye.